scientific name of Arctictis bituro, or locally known as the bituro po. Now guys, did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb, meaning it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na kasing galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kanilang mga tail. Same sa mga monkey. At syempre, ipapakita yun ni Teddy. No, Teddy, are you ready to go, downtown boy? Ayan. Show us your prehensile tail. Pero wait na natin, folks. Hinahanap-hanap pa ni Teddy ang kanyang puwesto. At mukhang ito na yun. Folks, prepare your cameras. There you go. Once again, that is their prehensile tail in action. They are doing what you want to grab some first, hanging from a branch. Palapakan. Ball not is Teddy, folks. Now guys, may I direct your attention again to your right side naman. Now we call on Uno, the older brother of Teddy. I know folks, ito lang, si Uno ay medyo mahiyain. And again,